So we're using A minor blues scale. If you don't know that, just watch lesson 1 for the Shredder series. So the first place you're gonna hear it most common is between the 5 and the flat 7. So in A, that's E and G. I use my 2nd and 4th finger. I also like to give a little slide every now and then to define a rhythm here, like. And that all I'm doing is reaching down and pulling off the side. Don't make it a big movement, just pull off the side with your 2nd finger. Another thing you'll hear me do is go begin the slide with my thumb on D. So it's like a 2-note slide to E. And what that sounds like in slow motion. Or you can use it just for emphasis. By the way, you can also just kind of play these notes as a chord. Same thing with the slide. Yeah, I'm mashing it with my thumb too. The other place you're going to hear it is on the 1 and the flat 3. So in A, that's A and C. When you go to D or E with your left hand, if you're playing a 12-bar blues, don't change the scale. Keep using the A minor blues scale. So you just, these are the 2 places that you might use in a blues in A.